apply frankincense oil to the skin. In this video, we're going to cover several ways that you can enhance your skincare routine, from tackling blemishes to hand and nail care and much more by using frankincense essential oil topically. To start, let's talk about applying frankincense essential oil to the face. We can add a few drops of frankincense oil to our moisturizer that we're already using, or we can take a carrier oil, for example, fractionated coconut oil, and mix a few drops of the carrier oil and then a few drops of frankincense in our hands, and then gently massage the mixture onto our face. We want to focus on areas that might need a little extra attention, such as our forehead, around our eyes, and our neck. This can be very hydrating and rejuvenating for our skin. Now, we have several more tips for applying frankincense to our skin, but first, if you're new to essential oils, make sure to grab my free download where I cover the best essential oils for beginners. I'll not only show you the best ones to use as a beginner, but also how to use them, along with awesome recipes for using them as well. So grab that free download by going to the link in the description below this video. Now, if we're dealing with some blemishes on our skin or dry patches, we can apply a couple drops of frankincense oil diluted with fractionated coconut oil, like we just mentioned, directly to that area and gently massage it in. This can help reduce redness and promote faster healing. Frankincense oil is also known for its ability to balance the production of sebum, making it suitable for all skin types, including oily skin. So by incorporating frankincense oil into our skincare routine, we can regulate the skin's natural oil production, reducing the likelihood of breakouts, and of course helping to promote a clear and balanced complexion. Who doesn't want that, right? If you're finding value in this video, hit that subscribe and thumbs up button to let us know. That helps more people be able to see this video. Moving on to our scalp and hair care. Frankincense oil can also be added to our shampoo to promote healthy looking hair and to moisturize the scalp. Also, for hand and nail care, we can add a few drops of frankincense oil to our lotion or hand cream, and that will help to hydrate and soften rough skin. And we can apply a drop of frankincense to our fingernails to promote strong and healthy nails. Now, in addition to its skincare benefits, frankincense oil can be used for aromatherapy as well. We can add a few drops to a warm face cloth and press it to our face for up to 30 seconds to promote relaxation and reduce stress. We can also incorporate frankincense oil into our morning routine by dabbing a drop onto each wrist and inhaling it as needed throughout the day. By applying frankincense this way, we can promote focus and mental clarity, making it perfect for studying or busy days at home or in the office. Now, if you want to learn how to make some simple skincare blends and recipes with essential oils, then check out this next video, and I'll see you there.